For our project, we have made a remote health monitoring and alert system. Anyone can measure his blood oxygen level and heart rate through our project module. In this time of pandemic, it can be very helpful. Corona patients can be monitored simultaneously from home with this simple technology. Firstly, we will show the components that we have used in our project. Here we can see a MAX 30102 pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor. It can measure the oxygen saturation level and heart rate of a person. The data is sent to this Arduino here, and then the Arduino will send the data to LCD display here. Then if the data is out of range, then Arduino will send a signal to this Bluetooth module. And this Bluetooth module will send the signal to another adjoint Bluetooth module which is connected with an Atmega 32. Here is the Bluetooth module. This Bluetooth module will send the signal to the Atmega 32 here. This Atmega 32 will send the signal to the second Atmega 32. This second Atmega 32 is connected with an GSM module. Atmega 32 sends a command to GSM module to send a message to the emergency contact number of that person.
Now let's move on to the demonstration of our project. Here we have powered up both modules of our project. After powering up, it takes some time for the Arduino to detect the sensor. As we can see, I have put my finger on the sensor. After the sensor is found by the Arduino, it will start reading my heart rate and blood oxygen saturation values. It will then show the values on this LCD display. We can see it is showing the oxygen level and heart rate values. Since the values are inside safe range, the Bluetooth module will not send data to the other module. So that's why we can see that these LEDs are not lighting up, meaning no SMS will be sent. If I remove my finger now, we will see shortly that the values go to an invalid range. The Bluetooth module immediately sends a signal to the other one. That's why we see these LEDs light up. The first LED indicates data received by the Bluetooth module, and the second LED indicates signal received from first Atmega 32 to send an SMS through GSM module. Upon receiving the signal, the GSM module will now send an SMS to this phone. It takes a while to send an SMS. We can see that we have received an SMS. Thank you for your attention.